SAP Signavio and LeanIX in Egypt. Egypt is rapidly becoming a digital leader, and intelligent enterprises are leading the transformation. Vision 2030 context. With Egypt, Vision 2030, industries like banking, oil and gas, manufacturing and government are investing in digital transformation. The challenge: many organizations still rely on legacy SAP ECC systems, limiting innovation, scalability, and real-time decision-making. SAP Signavio process mining, workflow optimization, compliance. SAP Signavio helps businesses analyze and optimize processes, reducing inefficiencies and improving transparency. SAP LeanIX visibility, architecture, transformation roadmap. SAP LeanIX provides full visibility into IT landscapes, helping enterprises plan smarter and scale efficiently. Business impact AI insights, faster decisions, digital growth. With SAP Business AI and S/4HANA transformation, organizations unlock real-time insights and competitive advantage. CTA, start your digital transformation. Today, Prompt Edify helps Egyptian organizations implement SAP Signavio and LeanIX for sustainable growth. +27 740 294 414 +91 99932 86938 promptedify.co.za